Let me ask you something. When was the last time a woman looked at you, not just glanced, not just smiled politely, but actually looked at you like you were the only person in the room? Most men have never experienced that. And it's not because they're not good-looking enough. It's not because they don't have enough money. It's because they're missing one thing. One simple, almost forgotten gesture that used to be the backbone of masculine charm. And today, almost no man uses it anymore. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. But first, I need you to understand why it works. Because when you understand the psychology behind it, you'll never forget it. Women are wired, deeply, biologically wired, to feel safe. Not just physically safe, emotionally safe. They want to feel like the man in front of them is present, not half present, not distracted, not performing. Actually, genuinely there. And here's the painful truth. Most men today are completely incapable of giving a woman that feeling, not because they're bad people, but because the world has trained them out of it. Your phone buzzes and your eyes drop. Someone walks by and your attention drifts. She's talking about something that matters to her, and somewhere in your head, you're already thinking about the next thing you want to say. She feels it. She always feels it. And every time she feels it, something inside her quietly closes. Now here's where everything changes. The gesture I'm talking about is called deliberate stillness. Not silence, not passivity. Stillness. There's a massive difference. When a woman is speaking, when she's sharing something, even something small, even something that seems ordinary, you stop. You don't fidget. You don't check anything. You don't nod robotically like you're waiting for your turn. You still yourself. You let your body go calm. You let your eyes rest on her. Warm, open, unhurried. And you just receive her. That's it. That's the gesture. And before you say that's too simple, I want you to understand what's actually happening in her brain when you do this. When a man is still, genuinely still, around a woman, her nervous system reads it as safety. It reads it as strength. Because only a man who is deeply confident, deeply grounded, has no need to fill silence with noise. Anxious men talk too much. Insecure men perform. But a man who can be still with her? That man is rare. That man is magnetic. That man she thinks about later when she's lying in bed staring at the ceiling. There's a reason the most compelling men in history, the leaders, the lovers, the ones stories were written about, were almost always described as calm, as present, as men who made you feel like you were the only person in the world when they turned their attention toward you. That quality is not mysterious. It's not some gift you're either born with or you're not. It's a practice, and you can start today. Here's how you actually do it. The next time you're with a woman, a first date, someone you've known for years, doesn't matter, and she starts talking, I want you to do one thing. Before you respond, pause for just 2 seconds. 2 full seconds of calm. Let her words land. Let your face soften. Don't rush to fill the space. Just be there. Let her finish not just her sentence, but her thought. Let her feel heard all the way through. You will see something shift in her, something in her eyes, something in the way she leans slightly toward you. Because in a world of constant noise, constant stimulation, constant distraction, you just gave her something almost no one gives her anymore. You gave her your full, undivided, unhurried presence. And presence is not just attractive. Presence is intoxicating. This is not manipulation. This is not a trick. This is you becoming the kind of man that a woman trusts, the kind of man she chooses. Not because you said the perfect thing, not because you had the perfect look, but because when you were with her, she felt something real, something rare. She felt seen. Most men will never use this. They're too busy trying to impress, too busy performing, too caught up in their own heads to ever just be with someone. And that is exactly why the man who masters stillness will always stand apart. The question is, Will that man be you?